Good morning, everyone. As you know, that CBSE just recently sent the SQP of all the papers of 10 and 12. So today we are here to discuss about the mathematics sample paper, mathematics standard 041 code. So if you see the paper, there are total three options, three parts, A, B and C. In A section, we have given 20 questions of 1 mark and you have to attain only 16 questions. So see question number 1 to 16, 1 to 20, they are of 1 marks and we have to attain any 16 questions. So there are extra 4 questions given. In section B, there are again total 20 questions and again you have to attempt any 16 of them. So this is section B. There are total 20 questions. Again you have to attain the 16 question from it. And then section C is the case study based question. So 2 questions are given basically. So case study 1, depending on the case study 1 there are 5 questions, and depending on the case study 2 there are another 5 questions, and you have to attempt, so total 10 questions are given, so you have to attain any 4 questions from each case study. So in first case study based question there are 5 questions, so out of this 5, that is 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45, we have to attend any 4. And from the second case study, from 46, 7, 8 and 9 and 50, you have to attend any 4. So there are one option extra. So from case study 1 any 4 and from case study 2 any 4. So ऐसा नहीं है that you have to attend any 8 of this 10 question. No, you have to attend any 4 from the first case study based question and you have to attend any 4 from the second case study based question. So the question of the section A. So let's start.
Come to the first question. It says that the ratio of LCM and HCF of the least composite and the least prime number is, there are 4 options. So first the least composite number is 4 and the least prime number is 2. So their LCM is given and the HCF of 4 and 2, that we have to find. So LCM and 4 and 2 is 4 and the HCF of 4 and 2 is 2. So now let's find the ratio of them. So we have to find the ratio of LCM ratio HCF, not HCF ratio LCM. LCM come first, so LCM ratio HCF. So LCM is 4 ratio 2, and if you convert it into its lowest form, so its ratio will be 2 ratio 1. So now choose the correct option. 2 ratio 1 is the correct option. Now come to the second question. The value of k for which the lines 5x plus 7y equal to 3 and 15x plus 21y equal to k coincide is. So basically you are given 2 linear equations. So first we have to write down the equation in their standard form. So 5x plus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0, and the second equation is 15x plus 21y minus k equal to 0. So we have the conditions that these two line will coincident if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, and this a1, b1, c1 are the coefficient of x, y and the constant term. So a1 is 5 by 15 is equal to 7 by 21 is equal to c1 is minus 3 and c2 will be minus k. So you can cut it. So now you can take any one of this equal equation. So I am taking the first ratio and the third ratio. So we have 5 by 15 is equal to 3 by k. So you are getting you can cut it by 5, so 3. So you are getting k is equal to 3 3s are 9. K is 9. So now let's check the option. Yes, the option is A. Come to the third question. It says that a girl walks 200 meter towards east. So this is, suppose this is the starting point. The girl walks 200 meter towards east. So this distance is 200 meter. Now from that point 150 meter towards north. So the girl will start from this point to moving towards north, and this distance is 150 meter. So the distance of the girl from the starting point, see this is my starting point. So now the distance of from the starting point is this one. So this is the right angle triangle, this is base, height, and this is the perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. So now use the Pythagoras rule. So hypotenuse square will be 200 square plus 150 square. So 200 square means 40,000 and this will be 22,500. So add them, this thing. So you are getting 62,500. So this is nothing but 250 into 250. So h will be 250 meter. So now let's come to the option. So the correct option is B. Now come to the fourth question, the length of the diagonal of a rhombus. So let's draw one rhombus. The length of the diagonals are 24 and 32. So in case of rhombus, there is a longer diagonal and there is one shorter diagonal. So by looking at this, if you name it as A, B, C, D, so you can see that AC is the longer diagonal. So AC is 32 centimeter and BD is the shorter one. So it is 24 centimeter, right? So now then the length of the altitude of the rhombus is. So altitude means you have to find the height of the rhombus. So first thing we will find the area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus is half D1 multiplied by D2. So calculate is half into 32 into 24. So this is 12. So 12 2s are 24. So this is coming 384 centimeter square, the area. Now we have to find the side of the rhombus. To find the side, let this point is O. Now the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at the 90-degree angle. So this this angle is 90 degree. So you can say that angle triangle AOB is a right angle triangle and they are bisecting each other. So this will be, so this total AC was 32. So this much distance will be 60 and OB this much distance will be 12. 24 by 2, that is 12. Now this is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So AB square will be 16 square plus 12 square. So 256 plus 144, that is 400. So AB is 20. So now we got the side as 20. Now if the side is 20, we have another formula of the area of the rhombus. So area is, now we will apply the another formula of area. For any parallelogram, the area can be found by base into height. So this is our base 20 and you can draw the height like this. So this will be our altitude h. So base into height will be, so this area is equal to 384. Area is equal to 384. So our base is 20 into height is 384. So you will have to find the height. So height will be 384 by 20. So if you calculate, you will get, so after division you will get 19.2 centimeter. Now let's see the options. So the correct option is D. So here you have to use the two formulas of the area. First we are using half into D1 into D2 and the next formula we have to apply is base into height. Now come to the fifth question. So it is the question of probability. Two fair coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at most one head? So two coins are tossed. So first we have to find the outcome, the outcomes of the two coin, number of outcomes. So first coin, second coin. So first coin head, second coin head, first coin head, second coin tail, first coin tail, second coin head, and the first coin tail, second coin also tail. So our sample space will be h comma h, then we have h comma t, then t comma h and t comma t. So there are total 4 number of outcomes. So total number of outcome will be 4. So in probability the denominator will be 4. In case of probability the denominator will be 4. The total number of outcomes is 4. Now let's count the favorable outcomes. So favorable outcomes are of getting at most one head. At most one head means the maximum number of head will be 1. Maximum number of head will be 1. So either you will get one head or less than one head. So this is of one head and less than one head. This is of 0 head. So I will take only these 3 favorable cases. So number of favorable outcomes are 3. So the required probability will be 3 by 4. So the answer will be 3 by 4.
Okay friends, that is for today's video. So in this video we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 from section A. So in my next video, I'll be coming back with question number 6 to 10. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for the next video. Thank you for watching.